This video is part 2 of 4 on how to write an essay step by step. Now let's talk about how to write body paragraphs, beginning with the topic sentence, followed by detail sentences, and finally the conclusion sentence. After our introduction paragraph, we have 3 body paragraphs. Each body paragraph begins with a topic sentence. The topic sentence tells one reason from your thesis statement. After the topic sentence, you have detail sentences that explain your topic sentence with facts, reasons, or examples. And the last sentence in your body paragraph is called the conclusion sentence. This sentence reminds us of the topic sentence of that paragraph. As you write your body paragraphs, keep in mind that your main goal is to prove that the thesis statement main idea is true or correct. This goal is very, very helpful to you because it helps you decide or know what to write in your body paragraphs. Let's look at some examples. So here we have the thesis statement we've already written with reasons 1, 2, and 3. Let's focus on reason 1. It is easy. Do you see where it is easy is repeated after the introduction paragraph? Walking is easy is repeated in the topic sentence of body paragraph 1. And what about reason 2, that the best type of exercise is walking because it's convenient? Do you see where reason 2 is repeated in the essay after the introduction paragraph? Reason 2 becomes the topic sentence of body paragraph 2, walking is convenient. And reason 3 is repeated as the topic sentence of body paragraph 3. Walking is often done outside. Then we have our conclusion paragraph, which we'll talk about in a few minutes. So let's look more closely at body paragraph 1. So body paragraph 1 begins with a topic sentence that tells reason 1 from the thesis statement. Walking is easy. Then we have our detail sentences that do 2 things. They explain the topic sentence of this paragraph, which is the same as reason 1, walking is easy. And they use reason 1 to prove that the thesis statement main idea, the best type of exercise is walking, is true. When exercise is too difficult, people stop doing it. However, when exercise is simple, people often enjoy it and continue to do it. Also, easy activities cause fewer injuries and less pain than strenuous activities. So you see how these detail sentences all explain that walking is easy, and also why that makes walking the best type of exercise and better than more difficult types of exercises. So, they prove that our thesis statement main idea is true. The last sentence in body paragraph 1 is the conclusion sentence, and this sentence reminds us of the topic sentence of the paragraph. Walking is great exercise because it is simple and pleasant to do. Do you see how this sentence is a little similar to the topic sentence, walking is easy? But remember, in an essay, you can never write the same sentence exactly the same 2 times. You have to change the words a little bit. So now, let's look more closely at body paragraph 2. Body paragraph 2 begins with a topic sentence that tells reason number 2 from the thesis statement. Walking is convenient. After this, the detail sentences explain the topic sentence, which is also reason 2, walking is convenient, and they use reason 2 to prove that the thesis statement main idea is true, that the best type of exercise is walking. A person can walk anywhere, in the city, country, or mountains. Many other forms of exercise require special equipment or locations. For example, swimming requires a pool. Lifting weights requires barbells and benches. So do you see how these detail sentences explain our topic sentence that walking is convenient, and they also use this reason to prove that the thesis statement main idea is true, that the best type of exercise is walking, since walking is more convenient than other types of exercises like lifting weights and swimming. The last sentence in body paragraph 2 is our conclusion sentence. This sentence reminds us of the topic sentence of this paragraph. Walking can be done anytime and anywhere without special preparation. Do you see how the meaning of this sentence is a little similar to the meaning of the topic sentence, walking is convenient? Remember, we don't want to repeat any sentences in our essay exactly the same. We want each sentence to be a little different. Now let's look more closely at body paragraph number 3. Like the other body paragraphs, body paragraph 3 begins with the topic sentence. This topic sentence tells reason 3 from the thesis statement. Walking is often done outside. Then we have the detail sentences. They do two things. They explain the topic sentence, which is also reason 3, that walking is often done outside, and they use reason number 3 to prove that the thesis statement main idea is true, that the best type of exercise is walking rather than other types of exercises. During exercise, the body produces chemicals called endorphins and serotonin, which calm stress and make people feel happy. Scientists found that people who spend time outdoors in nature feel happier than people who do not. Do you see how these detailed sentences explain our topic sentence that walking is often done outside, and telling why both exercise and being outside are important? They also prove that our thesis statement main idea is true by using that reason. Walking is the best type of exercise because it's done outside, unlike many other exercises. The last sentence in body paragraph 3 is a conclusion sentence. This sentence reminds us of the topic sentence. Walking outside helps mental and physical health. Do you see how that sentence is similar to walking is often done outside? Again, we don't want to repeat the topic sentence exactly. We want a conclusion sentence that reminds us of it. We have finished with part 2 on body paragraphs, and next is part 3, how to write the conclusion paragraph of an essay.